Hello, I'm Emily and welcome to the Knitting Den. I have got cushions, blankets, duvet, try and make you as comfy as possible because this is where we are going to learn to knit. I'll just give you a brief idea of what we're going to do. So before every project, or almost every project, there's a set of technique videos. So in these videos, it will be just my hands and you'll be able to see right up close exactly what I'm doing. So the way it works is we learn some techniques and then we go, oh, we know something, so let's practice it. So we go do some really good projects, really nice, interesting projects that hopefully you will love because not only are you making them, but you're getting to decide what colours they're in, what they look like. And I've tried to make the course or the patterns really nice and flexible so that you can really put yourself into what you're doing. Before we get started though on our first techniques, I've got two very important lectures for you. One is about the tools that you'll need. So the minimum equipment requirements is really not very much. It's like 3 things. And a lecture on yarns. So again, just explaining the crazy amount of stuff there is out there and what you'll need. Most of the specific projects will have, they all have a lecture at the beginning saying this is what you will need for the specific yarns, if there is a specific yarn, because like I said, I tried to be flexible. So for maybe half the project, you can knit whatever size yarn you like with whatever size needles you like, because, I like to let you have a bit of free rein. So, thank you very much for taking this course, and before we head on, I think we'll have a little sneak preview of what it is you're going to be making to kind of whet your appetite for the projects that we're going to be doing. So go check it out.